Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to send HD photos in WhatsApp. First of all, you have to update your WhatsApp app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for WhatsApp. And if you see any update available, must update the WhatsApp app to get the HD quality option on your WhatsApp. Now go ahead and launch your WhatsApp app and go to a chat or conversation. And now I'm tapping on camera. And now you can upload a photo from your gallery. So I'm going to selecting a photo from my gallery. Once you selected a photo that you've captured using your Android phone or iPhone, all you have to need, tap on HD. And here you can see the photo quality option, standard quality, and to send the photo in HD quality, you have to select your HD quality. And here you can see photo set to HD quality. Now just send this photo and the photo will be sent in HD quality. And now I'm going to my gallery again and searching for a photo that I've downloaded from Google. So I'm going to tapping on this photo, and this photo I've downloaded from Google. And for this photo, as you can see, this HD option is not available. So to send HD quality photo, make sure to capture the photo using your phone. Then you will be able to send the photo in HD quality. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.